Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what each role requires and why. List ages, accents, skills, and availability windows. Once done, collect materials. Headshots, 1-2-minute reels, resumes, and short character briefs that explain tone and wardrobe. Make outreach decisions now, agents, casting sites, or social channels, and set a timeline and budget per role so you know how many callbacks and paid sessions you can schedule. You search targeted sources, casting platforms, talent agencies, Instagram Reels, and community theater lists. Filter by look, skill, and location. Then you pre-screen with a focused self-tape checklist, 1 cold read, 1 emotional beat, 1 physical action to test range quickly. Once you have contenders, schedule live auditions or video callbacks, take timestamp notes, and rate each on chemistry, technical skill, and reliability so you can compare candidates objectively. You finalize by extending offers with explicit terms, shoot dates, rate, usage, rehearsal schedule, and expectations. Then collect signed contracts and necessary tax forms. Make sure contact details and emergency info are on file, and confirm wardrobe and availability 1 week out. If someone drops or chemistry fails, implement your backup list immediately and run quick re-auditions. This keeps production on schedule and prevents last-minute scrambling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.